Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Finally, Microsoft has released the latest version of Windows 11, namely Windows 11 version 24H2. Do we have to update our Windows now? Then how to update it? And what are the new features on Windows 11 24H2? Let's discuss it in this video. Before you decide to update your Windows 11 to the latest version, namely version 24H2, you need to know that when this video was made, there were about 6 issues in Windows 11 version 24H2 that had been confirmed by Microsoft. You can read information about this issue from the official Microsoft website. Later, we will include the link in the description of this video. If there are some problems here that might interfere with your performance, we recommend that you do not update to Windows version 24H2. But if the problems here do not interfere with your performance, you can immediately update to Windows 11 version 24H2. Now we will discuss how to update to Windows 11 24H2. To update to Windows 11 version 24H2, the method is very easy. Just select the Start menu and go to the Settings menu. After that, select Windows Update and please activate Get the latest update as soon as they are available here. Next, just select Check for Update and wait until there is information about the update to Windows 11 version 24H2 here. But if it doesn't appear like this, you can update manually if you want to use Windows 11 version 24H2 immediately. To update manually, the method is also very easy. Just open your browser, then type Download Windows 11 and enter. After that, just select Download Windows 11 from Microsoft.com. After entering here, you can read the current release is Windows 11 version 24H2. After that, scroll down, then here there will be 3 options that we can use. The first, you can update using the Installation Assistant. Then the second, you can also update using the Media Creation tool. And third, you can download the Windows 11 ISO file version 24H2, which you can use to update to the latest version of Windows 11. For this video, we will update Windows 11 using the ISO file, so we just select Download here. Then select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 device, and select Download Now. After that, please select the language you want, then select Confirm. Next, you just download the Windows 11 ISO file from here. The size is around 5 GB. Here we have downloaded the Windows 11 ISO file version 24H2. Then to update our Windows to the latest version, just right-click here, then select Mount. Next, please run Setup. Just double-click, then select Yes. After entering here, just select Next, then wait for the checking for update process. Next, select Accept at the bottom right, and wait for the getting update process. It will take a few minutes, so just wait until it's finished. Next, you just select Install and wait for the Windows 11 version 24H2 installation process to complete. Once finished, your device will restart. And now we have entered Windows 11 version 24H2. At first glance, there is no difference at all between Windows 11 version 24H2 and the previous version, namely 23H2. So, to see what the differences are, now we go into discussing the new features in Windows 11 version 24H2. First, you will find a difference in the Quick Settings section on the taskbar. Here the UI has been updated. Now there is a scroll bar that you can use to move from page 1 to the next page. Then, you can also change the position of these quick settings. Just drag and drop like this. Then, in the Wi-Fi section, now there is a refresh button that you can use if you want to scan for new networks around you without having to turn Wi-Fi on and off on your device, guys. And still in the taskbar section, now there is also an update in the Start menu section. When you click on your account section, it will look like this. If you click on the More Options section, you can choose the account you want to use, and you can also check out of Windows 11. In addition, in Windows 11 version 24H2, there are also several applications that have been removed, such as WordPad, Tips, Cortana, and several other default Windows applications have been removed from Windows 11 version 24H2. Next, the latest update in this version. If you click on the file you have, now the context menu display will look like this. There will be labels in the Cut, Copy, Rename, Share, and Delete menus. If the previous version only had an icon, now it's easier for us with the labels in these menus. And not only that, if you select Compress 2, now Windows 11 version 24H2 also supports more archive file formats such as .zip, .7z, .tar, and several other files. You can also select additional options. Then here you can set the archive format. Then you can set the compression method too, and you can also set the compression level to compress the files you have. Then the update in this version of Windows 11 is also in the File Explorer section, where if you right-click on the tab in the File Explorer, there will be a duplicate tab menu that you can use to duplicate the tab in the File Explorer. In addition, the appearance of the sharing menu in Windows 11 version 24H2 has also been redesigned. You can copy files here. You can also send files using Nearby Share, and you can also share using several applications on your laptop or PC, such as Outlook, Mail, or other applications. The icon of the Task Manager in Windows 11 version has also been changed. Currently, the icon is more modern, as you can see below. Then the Settings menu in Windows 11 version 24H2 has also experienced several updates. The first is in the Power section. Now you can choose the power mode whether you want balance, best power efficiency, or best performance. And if you are using a laptop, you can also set the power mode when your laptop is charging or when using the battery. Then in the Energy Saver section, you can also activate Always Use Energy Saver here, and you can also set the Energy Saver from the quick settings to activate or deactivate Energy Saver. In the Energy Recommendation menu, there is also a new UI that will make it easier for you to set several recommendations that you can immediately apply to save power on the device you are using. Then in the Bluetooth menu, there is also a UI change that is now simpler. Here it has been grouped into several categories of devices connected to your laptop or PC, such as printers, mobile devices, cameras, mice, and several other devices. You can also click here to see several devices connected to your laptop or PC. In the Network and Internet menu, there is also an update. Now there is a Show menu to display the password for the Wi-Fi you are using. So this will make it easier if, for example, a friend asks for the password, just click Show here, then the password will immediately appear here. You can also scan the barcode here to see the password. Then in the Accessibility menu, there is also an improvement for the live caption feature in Windows 11 version 24H2. Currently, live caption supports more languages. Then on some devices, there is also an update in the Graphic menu section, which currently supports the AI Super Resolution feature, which will improve gaming performance on the laptop or PC that we use. Actually, there are still some new features in Windows 11 version 24H2, such as voice clarity, studio effect, and several other new features. Only this feature is specifically for Copilot Plus devices. So, more or less, those are the new features in Windows 11 version 24H2. If there are other new features that we haven't mentioned, please add them to the description in this video. Then the last one, for those of you who have updated your Windows to version 24H2 and want to go back to the previous version, you can also do it without having to reinstall. The method is very easy. You just go to the Settings menu, then go to System, and scroll down, then select Recovery. After that, here just select Go Back, and just follow the instructions here to return to the previous version of Windows 11. You can use this Go Back feature for a maximum of 10 days after updating to Windows 11 version 24H2. After 10 days, you can't use this Go Back menu, and if you want to go back to the previous version, you have to reinstall your Windows. So that was the discussion about Windows 11 version 24H2, friends. Hopefully this video is useful for you. See you next video. Have a nice day.